Hello and welcome to another episode from the Timelapse Traveler. I'm back here in Tagaytay for a more personalized and extended stay that I took in the first week of November 2025. I'm always drawn to keep coming back to this enchanting town in the Cavite province, but this time there was a lot more excitement besides just the typical sightseeing. The best part, of course, was visiting the Sky Ranch theme park, so join me on this high-flying adventure to see some of the highlights of how I spent my week there.
Yeah, first Tagaytay. He texts got me through. I'm really glad that I made the decision to go to Tagaytay. I really need to clear my head and get back to one of my favorite places anywhere near Manila. So this is where I'm going to be staying for the next 4 days or so. Nice looking place. Not very big, but just here by myself for the next 4 days or so, and yeah, it should be nice. First floor. The view is just okay. Yeah. Home away from home here in Tagaytay. It's cool that there is a ref over here, as they call it, refrigerator, and of course a microwave, sink, decent looking bathroom. Not too bad at all.
I took this time to take a break from my home and allow myself to relax in the countryside, similar to the time that I took my electric scooter here a couple of years ago. A link to those videos can be found in the description and in the right hand corner of this video. This time though, instead of going out to eat every time, I decided to spend more time at the cozy rental spots to prepare my yummy dishes for some healthier home-cooked meals. Luckily, the SM Hypermart was just a short walk from where I was staying, and I made a couple of visits there to do some grocery shopping. That, however, wasn't the exciting part of my trip. For that, I took a much longer walk to the Sky Ranch theme park, which has gained somewhat of a legendary status in the Cavite province. On my way there, I passed by this sprawling skate park, the biggest I've ever seen anywhere in the Philippines.
Hi guys, we're here!
Hi. Hello. Hey guys. You guys come out over here often? You ride bikes or skateboards?
Yeah, we're actually skaters.
Oh wow, okay. So how come there's nobody skating over there right now? It seems pretty empty.
It's too hot. It's hot and it's a school day.
Oh, it's a school day. You're not supposed to be here. You're supposed to be in school.
It's quiz day.
So how come you're not in class now?
Half day.
Half day. Oh, okay. Why is it a half day?
Because we're taking periodic exams.
Oh, because you're getting ready for the exams. So right now you're studying. This is you studying, yeah? Okay, good to know. All right, well, you guys have fun. Take care.
Yeah.
Very nice, huh? Look at this, cool, right? Yeah, beautiful day today, actually. Yeah, the Sky Ranch is right across from Coca-Cola. Finally made it into Sky Ranch. Of all the times that I've been passing by here, I was always curious how it's like inside. Look at that, there's Joy, there's Groot. Hello. Hi. Oh, look at that. Karaoke over there. 4D simulator. It's gotta be some kind of a cool VR experience, huh? Hello, so Luffy. Hey. Nice to see you, man. Sorry. Hey Luigi, I thought you're supposed to be tall. Luigi's supposed to be the tall one. Yeah, 360 view. Oh my, look at this. You know what? I think I'm gonna have to actually give this one a try. Yeah, I definitely have to try this for sure. choose where you get the best views. Oh, the Ferris wheel. Now that's something I can't wait to ride. Sure, yeah.
Wow, shoutout nga pala kay Begs Moto. Galingan mo dyan.
Alright. How much is it?
305 balls.
Alright, that's okay, thanks.
Okay.
Check it out. Each car has its own AC. That's nice. Nice day to be here. I was afraid that it might be raining every day, but no. Weather today is just perfect. I love it. Too bad I didn't have any kids to bring in with me, huh? Fresh squeezed lemonade. Maybe I'll pick that up in a little while after I tire myself out from walking around so much.
Most of the attractions in this theme park are either meant for kids or for those with an iron stomach, such as the swinging boat rides. At least there was one option that was just perfect for me on this day.
Yeah, wow. So cool. Nice. Alright. Oh yeah, this was definitely very cool. Thank you very much. Yeah. What a rush. This really hot day. This lemonade with cucumber and ginger. So refreshing. And now it's going to be time to go on this really impressive looking Ferris wheel. Yeah, these cars are pretty cool looking. I wonder how many people it's good for.
I've always been a fan of Ferris wheels, so I was particularly excited to take a ride on this one.
Cellphone.
Oh wow.
It's a good video.
Damn. Good thing you caught that. Alright, thanks. Wow, it's nice and cool in here. This AC is really doing a job. Yeah, it's kind of awkward doing this by myself actually. But you know, what can you do? Gotta enjoy myself somehow, right? Yeah, the view back there is really something else. Wow. This is nice. It doesn't seem like all that from a distance, but when you're actually up here, the view is pretty good. The view all around is pretty good, but especially back there. Wow, it's really amazing. There's the Papa Bolo restaurant. Really one of the best places to eat anywhere in Tagaytay. The very top. Damn, look at this. That's so nice. Here we are, approaching the apex. Wow. That is spectacular. The Tahoe volcano. Alright, thank you very much. That was very cool. Nice ride. I love the AC in there. Very good idea. Alright, well, there's that. Now I just have to collect my bag and see what else I'm going to be doing over here at the Sky Ranch.
Back in the day, I would really enjoy going on this, but as I got older, rides like that just caused nothing but nausea. At least I still have those fun memories.
And then there are the arcades. Hello, hello. Hi.
Some of my fondest memories growing up was going to theme parks, starting with the Lunapark in Kyiv, Ukraine, another Lunapark in Brooklyn, New York, no relation, as well as the extreme theme parks in Florida. Being here brought back some of those memories that I still cherish and will never take for granted.
Water bumper cars. I think I've seen that before. Bumper cars but in the water. That's pretty cool.
Later.
Wow, here I am. I am seeing something. Wow, oh, okay. Oh, so it's basically shot with a 360 camera. Unfortunately, this is not the best 360 camera video. It's just okay. Yeah, right now I'm flying over the ruins of Rome. Oh, there's a Colosseum. Wow, I've been here. Oh, I've been to the restaurant. Yeah, this is pretty cool.
Eventually.
Well, that was my first visit to the Sky Ranch. Glad I went over here. It's yeah, it's more for kids, for families. Just here for myself, but you know, still, it was a nice outing. It's good to be out over here and enjoy what the fuss is all about, because this is a really cool park. And so it concludes my stay. Very nice place. Very cool party lights. Not so much privacy because it's just on the other side. There are just people walking around. I really enjoyed my stay over here. So lovely. Actually put a good use to this kitchen. Nice soft sounding AC. TV was cool. But yeah, that party light, not gonna forget that one. Anyway, goodbye Rome. Thank you very much for being a good host to me. Yep, there it is. Already getting cleaned. Nice place.
Now onwards to the next destination where I'll be staying. The Bukio is really the most efficient way to get around, but it's also the most expensive. Try not to get ripped off when you're getting a price quote.
And here is the last destination, or at least the one that I'll be staying in now. Well, there's a water dispenser here, another stovetop, rice cooker, of course, couch with a nice big TV. Ooh, this shower seems nicer. That's cool. And let's see what we got here. Ooh, wow. Not a split type AC. That's kind of a bummer, but I'll make do with that. And there's a balcony without much of a view. I'm gonna be calling this place my home for another couple of nights, or we'll see how it goes. There's a typhoon coming. Who knows, maybe I might have to hunker down here a little bit extra. So the shower here has a unique pump feature. I've never seen that before. Yeah, it makes this noise when you're taking a shower. Damn, but that's just how it goes. Another outstanding feature about this bathroom is the less cost towel. It's nice touch, I like it. So there's also a pool over here, but that costs 130 pesos to swim in it on the weekends, 100 pesos during the week. Not entirely sure if it's worth it. If there's absolutely nothing else to do, which is kind of the case for me, I might end up getting a dip in here. Nice day for a walk. Beautiful trails over here. Quiet. I'm not hearing any roosters. Just a nice wavy road.
This was an especially pleasant neighborhood to walk through. Clean air and paved roads are not a common combination to enjoy, and I sure took advantage of the peace and quiet in the long walks I took there. Turned out to be a much better use of my time than if I had stayed behind to spend money just to splash around in the pool.
Well, there we go. Goodbye to another nice spot. Very comfortable, but not much privacy. I mean, that's how the curtains are. There are no blackout curtains, nothing like that. But it's okay, I was pretty comfortable here. Very nice spot. Water cooler, except I already got this large bottle of water, so I didn't need the water cooler. Unfortunately, didn't go to use, but yeah, the TV was nice, the couch was nice, everything was very pleasant. Oh wow, there's a pusa. Pusa cat. No, you the next tenant? No, you get out. You go away. Go. Shoo. Okay. And that's all she wrote. Good thing it's not really raining that hard right now, so getting to the bus should not be too difficult. But yeah, the wind is picking up and I can sense something is really coming. And the Bukio is gonna get all the way to the bus terminal, so it's gonna be pretty easy actually. The bus terminal goes straight to Metro Manila, and from there, I guess I don't know, I don't think I'm gonna be going for the MRT train. I'll probably just get a Grab to get all the way home. The wind is very seriously picking up. I feel like we're gonna be flying away over here with the sails. I really hope that typhoon does not take me away. Oh my god, I don't want to fly just yet. Just got on the bus and immediately started moving. What luck, the bus is actually like mostly pretty empty. But yeah, I'm sure that's gonna change pretty soon. Very special mention has to go out to Ramen 99. Seriously, the food here is so good. Made a stopover over here and this ramen is so delicious. Oh my god. I got the spicy Ichiban ramen and it is so amazing. The broth, the noodle quality, the meat, everything, like lahat, it's so good. Guys, oh my god, I really want to get a takeout from here, but it doesn't really make sense right now. I'm going to be looking out for this place later. Hopefully it's a popular chain. I actually changed my mind. Instead of taking a taxi, I'll just take the carousel bus on EDSA. It's going to take me most of the way to home, but then from there I'll just transfer to the BGC shuttle bus for the last leg of the trip. It's very cost effective and should be direct. Just got on the BGC shuttle bus and gonna be going up to Kelly all the way to the BGC. And this is where I'm going to be closing out this video. So if you enjoyed it, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Always take care of yourselves and each other, and of course, keep looking out for more fun and exciting videos coming at you.